Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and for this video I would like to show you the best way to edit your video only with iPhone XR. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your photo library and let's find the video. I already prepared the video for you guys, so here is the video. I just recording like such as a tree, but then if you can see now the tree color here is like a pale because there is overlight on my video. Now let's just edit. So you just need to go click the video part until the sections is pop up and go click the edit. And after that we just need to wait. You'll see in the down part here there will be 4 sections: adjust the video, adjust, filter, and crop. Go jump into the adjust. So here you can you will provide by the iPhone to do the color grade after the picture. You can adjusting anything about the picture. So the first one is the exposure. Exposure is to controlling the light of your video. If you feel that the video is over light or over too shine, you just need to drag this point into the right side to reducing the light. See, it's got reduced, right? And then you jump into the next one, which is the highlights. Let's just put the light into the specific area to make you'll see there is so this section giving extra light into the bright color. And jump into the next one is a shadow, which is adding the dark color into the specific part too. Just go drag it into the right side to put more shadows on it. And after that, in the contrast, this is the important one because you can like make the color on your video contrast. Go slide into the left side to make it contrast. You'll see right there. And if you feel that your video now is too dark, you can just visit the next one, which is the brightness. You can add a little bit light on it. Okay, so this one is also important. To add the black point, you can just drag it into the right side. Oh, my bad, sorry, into the left side to add the dark spot. Right after that, there will be a saturation. It's just about the way how you want to bring these videos to the warm or to the cool tone. If you want to make it the cold, go drag it into the right side right here. If you want to make it the warm, go into the right side, the opposite way. Okay, and then the next thing we need to adjust is the vibrancy. The vibrancy here is also important because it can like popping up the color that they have on the video. And right after that, there will be a warmth. You can put extra warmth by dragging into the right side and into the left side if you want to make it like colder. And you are done. So this is the before and this is after editing. Now you just need to go click done, and here is the result. So that is the way how to edit your video on iPhone XR. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.